Hello, welcome to Java tutorial. Here I am discussing about the method overloading. It is a very important Java features, method overloading. If a class have multiple methods by same name but different parameters, it is known as method overloading. If we had to perform only one operation having same name of the methods increases the readability of the program. Suppose you have to perform addition of the given numbers, but there can be any numbers of arguments. If you write the method such as intent for two parameters and b for three parameters, then it may be difficult for you as well as other programmers to understand the behavior of the method because its name differs. So we perform method overloading to figure out the program quickly. For example, we have created two overloaded method. First, sum method performs addition of two numbers and second sum method performs addition of three numbers. Here the examples. Here I have created a class that name is calculation, and here we have implemented two methods like sum which have two arguments and other sum which have three arguments. If in a class, if a method having same name but different argument type, that method are called overloaded method. So in calculation class we have seen this two method with same name sum but different parameters type. Here we are taking two arguments and but here we are taking three arguments. But in main class, when we created an object of this calculation class, here by using this reference variable, when we call the sum method by passing three arguments, then our three arguments method will be called and printed these three values sum. If I calling the same method sum by using the reference variable of the calculation class, then by passing two arguments, then in calculation class this sum method will be called. Here we can see in Eclipse the calculation class having two some methods, some with the same name but different arguments. Here we are going to pass here two arguments, in here three arguments, and after that we have created a calculation class. And first one, when we run this program, first one it will call this method, these three arguments methods, and ABC sum. What is the ABC sum? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 is the sum. When we call the second one by this method by passing two arguments 20 20, then it will call this method and our sum will be 40. Thanks for watching this video.